Hello children, now first class mathematics. Now first class mathematics. Take your textbook children, take your textbook and pencil. Take out all of you children. All members learning the numbers? Yes children? Okay. Are you learning the numbers? Okay, take out your textbook children. Take your textbook. So page number 115, open it children, page number 115. So page number 115, page, open it, this page, open it children. So what is our chapter? 13th chapter. Our chapter name is Numbers from 20 to 100. Numbers from 20 to 100. Say number spelling NUMBERS. Numbers FROM from 20 to 100. 20 to 100. Numbers from 20 to 100. So take out children, take your textbook, page number 115. Opening all of you. Very good. Now take pencil children. In previous class to what we learning? We are learning the numbers only children. 1 to 100. Yes children. So once recall these numbers. See here. Read all of you. Read with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So 100 till 1 to 100 you are members learning this children. So okay, let us now debit. See here debit given. Look at the numbers in each row. Look at the numbers in each row. Write the correct numbers in the blank space. Write the correct numbers in the blank space. Here blank space is given children. Here some blanks given. In that blanks too you write children. See here. What is this number children? 45. What is this number? 45. 46. 47. Here 45 given, 47 given. In between number is not given, in middle number. So what number will come? 45 and 47. Between number 46. Yes children, 45, 46, 47. Okay, right all of you. Next one, 45, 46. 45, 46. After number 45, 46. After number 47. So here write 47. Okay, 47. Next one. Here 89, 90, 91. 89, 90, 91. See here, what is this? 89. Here 90. 90 after number 91. See here, 90 after number 91. So here write 91. So here 91 only given children, that before numbers is not given. 91 given, this before numbers not given. 91 before number 90. 90. See here all of you. 90. 90 before number. 90 before number what children here? 89. 90 before number 89. So write all of you 89. Next one 67, 68, 69. 67 and 69 given. In middle number, between number 68. Yes children, 68 only. Next 69, 68 is there. So before number 68, before number 68, before number 67. 68 before number 67. Next here 31, 32, 33. 31, 32, 33. Here 33 having, 32 having. 32 before number 31. 34 before number 31. 32 before number 31. 32 before number 31. 31, 32, 33. See here 31 only given, that after number is not given. 31 after number 32. 31 after number 32. After number 33. So write all of you. Are you understand children which like we are writing? Okay, write all of you. So in homework 2 I am giving another numbers only children. Okay, now next bit. Write the numbers from 1 to 20 in letters. Write the numbers 1 to 20 in letters. See here, what is this number children? 1. O-N-E 1. This one 2. T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. This one 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. What is this number? 4. F-O-U-R 4. This one 5. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. What is this? 5 only. F-I-V-E 5. This one 6. S-I-X. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. Next number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Say 7 spelling. S-E-V-E-N 7. This one 8. EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. Say all of you, EIGHT 8. Here this one 9. NINE 9. NINE 9. So last one is this 10. TEN 10. TEN 10. Say all of you. Read with me, children. ONE1. ONE1. TWO2. THRE3. THRE3. FOUR4. FOUR4. F5VE5. F5VE5. SIX6. SIX6. SEVEN7. SEVEN7. EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. TEN 10. TEN 10. See once again. ONE1, TWO2, THRE3, FOUR4, F5VE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10, ELEVEN 11, TWLVE 12, TWLVE 12, TWLVE 12, THIRTEN 13, THIRTEN 13, THIRTEN 13, FOURTEN 14, FIFTEN 15, FIFTEN 15, SIXTEN 16, SIXTEN 16, SEVENTEN 17, EIGHTEN 18, NINETEN 19, TWNTY 20. See children, ONE1, TWO2, THRE3, FOUR4, F5VE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, SEVEN7, EIGHT 8, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. Learn the spelling, children. Okay. Learn all of you. So next one. See children here. ELEVEN 11, ELEVEN 11, TWLVE 12, TWLVE 12, THIRTEN 13, FOURTEN 14, FIFTEN 15, FIFTEN 15, SIXTEN 16, SEVENTEN 17, 17 spelling, SEVENTEN 17, EIGHTEN 18, NINETEN 19, NINETEN 19, TWNTY 20, TWNTY 20. See all of you. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, are you understand children? Learn the spelling children compulsory. Okay children.